Alright guys, so I thought about doing this video a little while ago, and I didn't, but then I had people ask me again, so I figured I'd go ahead and do it. So I know that there was like a shortage or outage, whatever, on trying to get trays from the Dollar Tree to make your trays. So I wanted to show some different alternatives to that. So of course you have your normal Dollar Tree trays, you have the oval one, and you have your square, rectangle one here too. You can get them individually from the Dollar Tree, or you can order them in bulk, and they come in packs of 48, 24 of each one, which is an amazing deal. But if you cannot find those, I have some other options that I have decided to try. So I had got this activity tray from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was really cute because it has 4 different compartments. I felt like you could use one for like an ashtray or to hold your papers or whatever. Then I also got this one right here from Target for $1. Now mine is a little smaller, but for $1 and the material, I love it. Now look, it's about the size and size comparison to like the center part. If you can see the center part of the Dollar Tree tray. And then the third alternative to Dollar Tree trays is this mold I got from Amazon. And it comes with these 2 handles. The handles now, it only comes with 1 pair of them in the pack, but you can get more from Amazon or from like Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart. But I thought it was so cute. So you can just screw them right into the trays, or you could do the tray without the handles. I'm going to do a whole video on this because I really want to get into more resin stuff. I have a new mold for ashtrays too. So I'm going to show you guys DIYs on that as well. But again, I just wanted to show you guys some different alternatives to the Dollar Tree trays if you can't find them at your local Dollar Tree, or if they're still sold out online. As always, my loves, stay tuned for more DIYs, more entrepreneur blogs, more travel, lifestyle, whatever. Just stay tuned for my videos. Remember, I drop them weekly, sometimes 2 to 3 times a week. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in. And of course, remember, as always, you can do anything that you put your mind to, and you are loved. Bye, my loves. Adios.